Hi guys, Dominic IRPINO here with IRPINO Real Estate. We're really excited to share with you a live video, something relatively new to our brokerage and our marketing. We have today a new condo on the market in the Gold Coast. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath at 2 East Oak, and it's unit 1604. Tomorrow, which is Saturday, from noon to 3, we have an open house. However, we wanted to give you a preview, get you in here before the open house, show you around, not only the unit, but the building and the amenities as well. So come on in, take a look. 2 East Oak, unit 1604. Really cool building located in the Gold Coast, as I mentioned, around so many restaurants, bars, shopping, steps to the lake, Lakefront, public transportation close by. And this is a beautiful, newly renovated unit. As you can see, the kitchen has quartz countertops, new cabinets, new appliances. And here you see our open house supplies. We're getting ready for tomorrow. We're really excited. We have a cookie bar, a chip bar, plenty of drinks and refreshments in the fridge. And we'll have catered sandwiches as well. So we'll show you the bathroom first. Recently renovated with Italian tile, new quartz countertop, shower, beautiful modern faucet. Are you ready? I got more to show you. So let's take a look. There's a cute 1-bedroom here with a built-in closet. And it's surprisingly deep. And check out these views, guys. Look at these views. Wow. Our family goes to Carmine's restaurant a lot. There's Tavern on Rush. There's Maple and Ash over there. See the roof? Such a great area. We love coming here, and you will as well if you make this your home. So what we're going to do is show you the amenities of the building, and what's unique about that is they're actually at the top floor. So we're going to end this video real quick and restart another video to show you the pool, the exercise room, the recreation room, the laundry room even has a beautiful view. So once again, we're at 2 East Oak, unit 1604, open house tomorrow, Saturday, March 24th, noon to 3 p.m. You can check us out in about, 15 seconds because we're going to have another video with all the amenities of the building. Thanks for joining us. Follow IRPINO Real Estate on Facebook and all social media. Take care.